You know, despite the iPhone existing for nearly 20 years now, really? The basic design of it being a glass and metal rectangle with a touchscreen has stayed almost entirely unchanged. But what if Apple made an iPhone that could slide? Well, in this video, I found something on TikTok that I think can show us exactly what that would look like. Let's open it up and see what it can do. Oh my gosh, this thing is thick. Holy crap, I didn't know they made phones this chunky anymore. Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. It might not look like an iPhone from the front, but look at the back, eh? They're clearly doing the iPhone thing with the cameras. It's close enough, right? Take this thing off. You can see it's a foofy phone. It slides up to reveal a keypad. And on first impression, you may think this might be a dumb phone, but I think this thing runs Android. Let's take this thing off. It's kind of an interesting layout. These buttons, I guess you can call them buttons, are very difficult to press down. What is this? It's like a flashlight. Oh! There it goes. That's interesting. That's a separate feature from the phone even being on. I haven't turned the phone on yet. And I gotta say, the sliding function here feels pretty nice. And before we even turn the phone on, just trying out these keys, they're pretty clicky. All right, let's hold the power button and turn the phone on. There it goes, foofy. Oh, here we go. It really is Android. It's an old version of Android, but hey, that's better than I thought it would be. I believe this phone was $60, by the way. The screen, I would not call it high quality. In fact, this kind of reminds me of like, hold on a minute. We've seen a ton of these kind of phones on the channel before. They're just these like mini Android devices. These are always kind of interesting because of how small they are, but it almost looks like they just took one of these guys and put it in a slidey phone. Interesting, when you close the phone, it locks for you. That's kind of cool. I also don't see like any kind of power button on this device. It's just like the front red button. If I press that, oh, it's really hard to press. There we go. It gets us to a lock screen. These buttons on the side, by the way, are just volume. If I press the power button again, yep, it does lock. Now, if I open the keypad up, it also unlocks. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. Can I like navigate with these arrow keys? It's just interesting to have arrow keys. Yeah, there we go. We got some interesting apps on here. They appear to be copying all the Apple logos. All right, here we go. I found an iPhone for comparison. See the Photos app? It's the same. There was one time I saw a phone take the Play Store icon and turn it into the App Store icon, and it was so good that I didn't even notice that it did that. Yeah, the call and the text message icons are clearly the same. Camera looks identical. They turned Chrome into Safari. That's interesting. Even the settings icon is here. It's just missing the little red number thing for all the updates you skipped out on. In fact, speaking of updates, I'm sure this is running a very old version of Android. Oh my gosh, just look at this settings menu. Like, when is the last time you saw Android look like this? About phone. Phone. That's my favorite model. Android 8.1? Are we on like 16? Yeah, my Pixel's on 16. It's twice as many Androids. Somehow it has a security patch from 2025 though. That's kind of shocking. All right, well, I really don't know what you can do with a phone with Android 8.1, but let's go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi and see what happens. Oh my God, the keyboard. Oh wait, I have the keyboard down here. I mean, what's easier, tiny touchscreen or having to deal with this? Oh, it doesn't actually do the letters. It's just numbers only. Typing the Wi-Fi password into this is impossible. Also, by the way, this phone didn't have any kind of setup process. It just took us right to a home screen. Connecting to Wi-Fi, probably not the most risk-free move I could make. What happens if I open the Play Store? Okay, it asks to sign in. Is this actually gonna work? It's checking my info. Oh, there it goes. Let's try this again. So it pops up the keyboard. Oh, wait. I can change my keyboards. IME. Oh, it's working. Okay. Look at that. And it actually has like a little interface that shows all the different keys you can get. Oh, it just stopped working. Maybe if I close and reopen it. All right, it's working again, but I don't know how to go back. Oh, you press like this button. That is awful. Oh, I don't want that. Oh my gosh, this is the worst thing ever. I also noticed we don't really have any like symbol icons down here. So like, how do I do like an @ sign? You can't. You simply can't. Okay, I'm going back to the touchscreen. Here it is. Here we're in the Play Store. Now I know it said Android 8.1, and that should mean that we're not able to install Stumble Guys, but let's go ahead and check it out for ourselves. All right, here we go. Wait, what? Sure. Makes sense. All right, well, while I'm waiting on stuff to install, let's check out the camera next. Also, I just realized we have Twitter with the X logo, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Netflix installed by default. We'll try all of those in a minute, but camera, that's what I want to do. Camera, all right. I want to start with the front camera because the back camera I think has something weird going on. Wow, this is very like high FOV. Like, hey, that's not bad. That takes like quite the wide range. Camera's like arguably better than the screen can even show. That's impressive. Now, on the back of the phone, we got these 3 cameras here, right? But I'm pretty confident this is one of those situations where only one of them is the real camera. Which one is it? I don't know. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna take a photo by covering each of the lenses one at a time, and we're gonna see which ones are actually real. All right, based on the fact that 2 of the photos seem to show the same image, and then one of them has the finger covered up, I'm thinking it's this guy on the right here. Now, let's take a real photo and see how high quality this is. The answer is not very high quality at all. It's quite bad, in fact. Look at all that detail you can make out. You can barely even tell I'm holding a phone. Can't install Stumble, guys. Oh, come on. Let's try again. Okay, it downloaded the game. Come on, you can do it.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Did Play Store just crash? Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, this phone is struggling. Oh, okay, it realized that I still want to install Stumble, guys. It looks like it's downloaded. It's just having trouble starting the install. Oh my. Okay, I've been waiting for like 5 minutes now. It's not doing anything. It just says installing. So Stumble Guy's performance, no, it's not doing anything. It can't install the game. All right, let's try opening YouTube because that's pre-installed on the phone here. See what this does. I'm assuming we're gonna have to update. Oh, I opened subscriptions and the app crashed. Good. All right, we're gonna try playing one of our videos. What was that? You got a TikTok ad before the video. Oh my, what in the world? What is happening? Okay, it's finally the correct aspect ratio. Let's go full screen. If I can't, oh no, there it goes. And then we can rotate, get out of here. There we go. And that's playing the video now. It looks okay, actually. Speakers, not very good. It's too loud the moment you turn the volume up at all. Playback performance, you guys have already seen it, but yeah, it's not great. We're at 360p. What is the highest this phone can go to? 720p, that's rough. All right, let's try it out. HD YouTube experience. Okay, it's actually playing back fine now. I mean, guys, do you see how bad that looks? Is this how you guys watch YouTube? If you're watching YouTube like this right now, I'm so sorry for you. Also, let me down in the comments. I need to know. Wow, trying to go in and out of full screen is just, oh man, that's painful. Get me out of here. I can't even close the app. There's this like little clean thing on the screen. Wait, Stumble Guy's installed. I thought it couldn't be done. I thought it could not be possibly done. Let's go ahead and launch it. What happens? There's just no way this actually works. You guys saw that YouTube performance. Kind of crazy seeing the Stumble Guy's logo on a phone with a keypad like this. This is truly a one-of-a-kind device. I'll give it that. Thank you, Foofy. Oh my gosh, we've reached the title screen. So many things are happening. So many screens are popping up. The game looks odd, but that's okay. It's actually running it all. That's surprising. I kind of wish I could control the game with this little D-pad over here. I'm going to try it out and see what happens. Oh my. It's really struggling to load the round. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Oh, everyone's already started playing, and I'm still waiting for my game to register that I'm holding up. Move! All right, there he goes. Let's try the controls here. Do they do anything? Nah, they don't seem to. How about the keypad here? Nothing. Can I even beat the level like this? The frame rate is so bad. There's so much delay. Do you see how long it takes for my character to jump? Yeah, I already lost. No, that's not surprising. Are we actually on Android 8.1? I have this app here. I don't know why they would lie about that, but this should tell us the actually installed version of Android, along with some other info. Device name, phone, model phone, manufacturer phone, device phone, brand phone. Wait, what? This says it's on Android 9.0. I mean, that doesn't really make much of a difference, to be honest, but that's interesting. The CPU it's trying its best. We got 4 of the cores, 1 whole gigahertz. How much battery do we have in this bad boy? 5,500 milliamp hours? I'm sorry, I don't believe that for a second. What kind of screen do we have? 640 by 360, sub 720p. That's it's real bad. I never actually opened the Chrome browser here. Let's do a speed test real quick and see how our Wi-Fi is. I don't think it's gonna be good. Will this phone be able to load all of the ads that pop up on speedtest.net? Will it be able to load anything? Oh, there it goes. Oh my. Oh my goodness. 20 megabits per second down? 20? Now, this phone, from what I could tell, does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so that's not that surprising, I guess. I don't know. There's nothing you're going to be doing on this phone that's going to use a higher speed than that anyway, with how bad everything else is. What is a Twitter app open? Oh, it's actually Twitter, the old logo and everything. How old is this app? Where did they find this APK? It's time to update. You don't say. I assume this just takes us to X. Your app isn't compatible with your device anymore. Contact developers. I assume that means that this X app does not support Android 8.1 or 9, whichever we have. Either way, that's interesting. How about WhatsApp? Is this going to do something kind of similar? I've never gotten WhatsApp to do literally anything on a phone. This version of WhatsApp became out of date in 2025, on Christmas 25. That was kind of recent. Tap download to get the recent version. Sure. Ooh, it's just downloading an APK? Well, whatever it wants to download isn't downloading. I'm going to try one more time. Download. I did nothing but open Google. Okay, so it has all these apps installed. They clearly don't work. If I go to the Play Store and actually try to install TikTok like normal, I'm imagining that it's gonna say this phone is too old. I've never actually installed this app, but we're gonna try TikTok Lite. It's supposed to be TikTok, but faster, I would assume, so if any version of this app is gonna work, it's gonna be this one, right? All right, just like Stumble guys, it's been 30 years and the TikTok Lite app is still installing. I don't know, guys. I'm sure it'll install eventually, but you can clearly see this phone is garbage. If iPhone ever makes a slidey phone, I really hope they do it a little better than this. Either way though, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And did you know that we have like 30,000 other videos about phones? Click this one right here. There's a solid chance it's a phone video. Is it not a phone video? Let me know down in the comments if it's not a phone video.